welcome to my channel. My name is Natalie. For those who are new here, for those who are not, welcome back. Today I have a very special video for you guys. I did my full face using all E.L.F products. I came up with this look right here. Before we get started, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and to subscribe before you guys leave. As well as don't forget to follow me on all my social media. I will leave everything on the screen as usual. And yeah, if you guys want to see how I got this full face using all E.L.F products, just keep on watching.
Okay, so I'm just going to use this E.L.F concealer. This is the 16-hour Camo Concealer in the shade Fair Warm as a base for my eyeshadow. I'm also going to carve my brows out using this. And I already did my brows off camera. I used the Lock On Liner Brow Pomade from E.L.F in the shade Espresso. You guys already know that this is one of my favorite products from E.L.F. I've been using this pomade for years now, and I don't know, I prefer this one over any other more expensive brand. I just feel like this one's a lot easier to work with, and every single time I transfer over to something else, I always end up coming back to this because it's one of my favorite products, not just from E.L.F but in general. So that one's really good. I promise, check it out. It's only like $3 or $4 I think, and it works really well. So yeah, I'm just going to use this concealer as a base for my eyeshadow, and then I am not going to set it, so I'm going to leave it tacky as well. And then you guys can see, like, after this I look crazy because this concealer is so light. That's why I picked up another color that you guys will see later on. So the palette that I'm using is the Rose Gold Sunset palette, and I'm taking that very dark brown shade at the very end of the palette, and I'm just packing that on my lid. I am bringing it pretty high up to the crease, not too much, just because it'll be easier to blend out later on. And I'm just packing that color on using my Sigma medium sweeper brush, the E54 brush. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with the color right next to that dark brown shade using that same medium sweeper brush from Sigma, that E54 brush. And I'm just going to pack right around where that dark brown color ends just to kind of help blend everything together. And since I didn't set my base, I do go in and set right underneath my brow bone. You'll see what I'm doing later on, just because it'll be easier to blend your next color. So here I'm just taking that matte white color, and this one's just from a Sigma palette, the one that I used in my last tutorial. Check it out, I will have it linked down below if you guys want to see it. And then I'm gonna go ahead and blend that last color in with that brown shade in the palette. And then this is just a Morphe brush, I believe. I'm not entirely sure, but I will have it down below. And then it's just gonna help to kind of just blend everything together. And I do go back and forth with the old brushes, just adding a little bit more color wherever it's needed as well. Okay, so now for the fun part, the glitter. I'm going in with this E.L.F glitter in the color Bronze Comet, and I'm just going in with the NYX glitter glue as well, because I don't think E.L.F has a glitter glue. As far as what I've seen at Target, I didn't see one, so I have to use the NYX one. And I'm just patting that in with my finger, and then I'm going to go ahead and press that glitter on with my finger as well. You guys already know how I do that. Honestly, this glitter is like $2, and it's really pretty. It's super glittery as well. You'll see, like, later on in the video, like when I'm like pretending to be a model, you'll start to see how shiny it is. Okay, so I forgot to pick up some lashes from E.L.F, so I used the Tatalashes in the style Chloe, Natalie 10 if you guys want some money off of your lashes. But I did go in with the Aqua Primer Mist from E.L.F. Okay, the way that this thing sprays is like really like harsh. Like it's like a squirt like right in your face. I don't know, it wasn't my favorite. But anyways, okay. I went in with the E.L.F Flawless Finish Foundation in the shade Nude. It took me forever for it to come out, but yeah, I went, did I say? Yeah, the color Nude. You can definitely get a full coverage out of this. It's just going to take you a little bit longer to build it up. I do have freckles, as you guys can see, so it just took me a little bit longer to kind of build up that coverage right underneath, like right where my freckles are, but you can definitely get it there. Yeah, I mean, I liked it. It's super matte, so if you're looking for like a really cheap matte foundation and you don't have like freckles that you need to cover, this one would be a really good one. Like I said, I could go one shade lighter just because it was a little too dark for me, but regardless, I really do like how it came out because once I concealed, powdered, and everything, it did end up matching me a little bit better as well. And then for underneath my eyes, I'm going in with the, I'm dropping stuff, the E.L.F 16-hour Camo Concealer in the shade Medium Sand. I'm just going to conceal underneath my eyes, on my nose, forehead, on my cupid's bow, on my chin, everywhere else, and blend that in with a Real Techniques sponge. And then that mirror right there is from Labios Mios if you guys want a discount code from them as well. I did receive one. This is, what would it be? Natalie 10 if you guys want a discount. Okay, so I have used the E.L.F translucent powder. I think it's their HD powders. And I don't know, they just never worked for me. So, I don't know, I wasn't a fan. It didn't work for me. I didn't like them. So, I wanted to give the concealer a fair shot. So, I did end up using my Coty Airspun translucent powder in Naturally Neutral. And I'm just setting underneath my eyes or wherever I put that concealer. And then I'm going to set the rest of my face. The Target that I went to didn't have any of the E.L.F powders for some odd reason, so I couldn't pick one up. So I just ended up using one that I have here, but I did apply it using my E.L.F pointed powder brush. And honestly, okay, I love this brush. I really, really, really do like it. It's like $6 and it's so soft. I like the pointed part of it. I don't know. I really do like this brush. It's only $6. You guys need to pick it up. I did end up picking up another one for bronzer. I didn't end up using it for this video because I picked it up after, but anyways, yeah. Okay, so then I ended up bronzing my face using the primer infused bronzer it's the shade Forever Sunkissed, and I applied that using my small tapered brush from E.L.F as well to bronze. I just wanted something a little bit smaller. It literally is the smaller version of that powder brush that I used before. I just feel like the powder brush is a lot softer. But anyways, yes, I'm just going to bronze up my face, which is weird because at first I was looking really, really dark and then I was looking really, really pale. So I don't know what's going on. At the end, it all worked out, but I don't know. It was a little weird. So for blush, I'm going in with their primer infused blush in the shade, what shade is this? Always Cheeky. It looks really, really light on camera. It wasn't as light as that in person. I don't know why it looks like that. But anyways, I'm taking that on my small tapered brush, the one that I used to bronze. I just kind of wiped it off and I'm just using that to apply my blush. Okay, so now to finish off the eyes, I'm going in with that light brown shade that we used before. And I'm just taking that on the Morphe Fluffy brush. I forgot what number that one is, but I will have it down below. I just wanted something nice and fluffy to kind of blend it out and kind of diffuse it a little bit. And then I'm going in with that reddish brown shade that we used before. And I'm taking that on my Sigma Medium Sleeper brush, the E54 brush, and applying that underneath my eyes. And for liner, I went in with my E.L.F waterproof gel eyeliner. Honestly, I was really surprised about this liner. I really did like it, to be quite honest. It stayed on all day. I did notice that it was really hard to take off. I don't know. But anyways, I really did like it though. It's super creamy. It reminded me of that, what is it called? That Pixie liner obviously from Pixie. It's the one that I use here often. I'm not sure what it's called, but it reminded me a lot about that one. This one's only like $2. And of course, I forgot to pick up mascara, so I'm just using the mascara that I've been using for a while. This is the Sigma Sinuosity lash. I'm applying that underneath my bottom lashes. And then of course, I'm just gonna go in with my inner corner, a white eyeliner, apply it as a base, and then I'm going in with this like really, really bronzy gold shade in the palette, and I'm applying that on top of that. You guys will see how pretty it looks. I did spray it with the primer mist that smells kind of like feet. But anyways, and I'm just applying that right in my inner corner, and it was really pretty. I feel like it wouldn't have looked this bright if I wouldn't have sprayed it with something though. So I definitely recommend to spray their metallic ones. But anyways, or they're shimmer shades. What the heck, what am I saying? Anyways, okay, so now for highlighter, I'm going in with the Blush Gems Baked Highlighter. I did scrape off the top of it because that's the only way I can get like it to come out really, really nicely. So yeah, and I just applied that on my cheekbones, down my nose, on my cupid's bow, on my chin, everywhere where I want to be glowing. So the Target that I went to didn't have the E.L.F. lip liner, so I just lined my lips with the MAC lip liner in, what shade is this? Strip Down. Anyways, okay, I did pick up two things from E.L.F. I picked up the lip plumping gloss in Champagne Glam and then the liquid lipstick in Tea Rose. I did end up using just the lip gloss. I've been using this honestly a lot since I've gotten it. I really do like it. The plumping almost feels just like minty. It doesn't feel like, it doesn't hurt like the Too Faced one. That one hurts. I don't know, I didn't like that one. Anyways, okay, so then I set my face using the Aqua Primer Mist just because it's the one that I had. And yeah, that's it.
Is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed. I honestly really like how it came out, but please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and to subscribe before you guys leave, as well as don't forget to hit that notification bell just so you guys are notified for any future videos, as well as don't forget to follow me on all my social media. I will leave everything on the screen as usual, and yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Estaba usando... Mom, ¿cómo se dice? I feel like I need a little bit more highlighter. Just a little bit more. There we go.